Hey friends, I'm back to show you how you're going to be dealing with AC Tunnel VPN. So let me hope you're done with liking this video. Let me hope you're done with subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't done yet, please do so. So let us open Google Play Store. This is my Google Play Store. I'm going to search AC Tunnel VPN like that. Then I'll be installing this AC Tunnel VPN. And I open it if I'm done installing. But these initial steps, they need a data bundle. Because they involve downloading, they involve updating the servers, and so on and so forth. So you need to have a running data bundle before then you'll be having no data bundle in the future to be using this AC Tunnel VPN to provide you with the free internet. Thank you guys. Here in the top left corner we have 4 dots. Click on them. Let me first enable the dark theme, and then I'm going to choose this one, the online update. Then they are going to check for the updates, and then you must be receiving this type of message that there are no updates. Let me go back to those 4 dots here, and then I'm going to make sure that all things here are like this as you see them. Now I'm going to go to the servers. We have these servers. You are free to choose any of the servers, but me, I'm going to choose based on your country, but let me choose the fastest server like this. Then I'll come here at the second, this one. Then I don't click this one, click this one. Then I choose this one, UDP, all country free. After, I'll be able to tap this button, the connect button, and then I tap like this. But this is done when I don't have a data bundle. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow this channel. Don't forget to like this video. I remain myself, my mistake.